So hey guys, Sandy with another video here. So today we'll be talking about my real steel boxing voice gaming bot which I have built. So this is for a hackathon by Deepgram. So this is a new type of hackathon that they organize. So this is a simple architecture diagram that you see over here. So we do have a Flask application which is running and which establishes a WebSocket connection with the servers of Deepgram. And what it does is it kind of takes the audio. It takes the audio from your microphone, send the audio, and then you wait for the transcript to come in. So what happens is you receive the transcript, and then there is a Python method which kind of translates that to a command. So where we have commands like dodge left, uppercut, left jab, right jab, and all these commands. You can definitely program all the commands that you want to your voice to be recognized. That way it is near real time. I have tested it, so I'll show you in the live demo of how that works. And it is a pretty simple stuff that we are doing here. So only the mapping thing that you have to be careful on, or if you want to improve it, you can definitely do. So once that is done, we run the game, and then you can start really playing that with just your voice. You don't have to touch the console, you don't have to touch keyboard, mouse, any of that sort. Just with just voice, you just need to turn on the game first, and then you can really control the entire bot with just your voice. So let's get started with the live demo. So here we are with the game, and the game has started, and we do have the console open. So what we will do is we'll just try to run the Flask application that we have. So you'll also see the live transcript of what I am talking right now. So we'll just go to this URL now. I do have this open, so we'll just do a refresh, and it just got connected. And you can also see what I'm talking is getting transcribed right away. So we'll just have it in the handy, maybe at the side if you want to. So what we'll do is we'll just start the game. We'll just say fight with someone. I think this should be pretty good to start off. So you can also see whatever the transcribe is getting done. So it is in real time, at least in near real time. So let's just spin up a fight and see how it goes. So let's say fight and do loss and energy core or something. So next up is Adam. So we'll just fight this guy and see if we can defeat him with just our audio commands.
The retro superhero, the comic book crusher, Ambush! He's a one-robot apocalypse, flee before Bio-War! 3, 2, 1, fight!
Advance. Engage. Times 20. Dodge left. Times 20. Dodge left. Special move. Special move. Special defense. Special defense. Engage. Dodge right. Get back. Okay, we just got killed. Okay, that is fine. So it is like some tweaking has to be done for any performance, like real audio transcription and stuff like that. So it just happens sometimes. You don't really get to win the game. So he's also strong, as we have seen. So we'll do another match where we can show that we can definitely defeat someone.
You lose!
So we did have 50% of successful hits just with our audio. So So we'll do a timely attack and see this time if we can face sparring. This should be pretty easy. So we'll try to fight against ambush and see if we can win. So the problem here is that you have to map certain commands whichever you wanted to do, or you have to combo that so that it kind of gives you real fight. So times 20. Special move. Okay, we missed that. So step back. Advance. Engage. Double uppercut. Double uppercut. Special block. Special block. Engage. Engage. Times 20. Times 20. Times 20. Times 20. This is a special move that I have said. Times 20 is a command where it has different combos where it kind of gives the opponent no chance of hitting you in a rebound. So this is how you can just win a game. So we did have 57% of successful hits, and we do also have some combos. So this is how you can make your own game, whichever game that you want, into a real-time voice command game if you want to, or if you call it as voice bot, and anything is good. So you can also see the real-time transcript printing on both the sides where we receive and execute, and we also have this entire stuff going on the right side where you can see the live transcript going on. So this is a simple demo to show you what you can go with Deepgram, which is really fast. I didn't think of that this can go really this far. Like a real-time transcription. So as you can see, even if I talk right now, you get almost some of the transcription. So I do have a bit of a noise around here, so that could disturb a little of the microphone. So we send a raw audio, we don't do any kind of filtering. So with that enhanced, or if you have some noise cancellation headsets on microphones, so that can really help improve the quality of the audio. And you can also do some kind of work in the audio processing part to make the audio real more clearer for the Deepgram APIs and the models to give out the most accurate results that you want. But again, with that said, we were able to defeat this guy. So obviously hope you liked it, and make sure the source code is available on GitHub. You can read through it, and we also have the post coming up. I hope it would be posted, or I'll just post it in the weekends maybe. So make sure you give a read, and comment down whatever your thoughts may be, and what are the games that you can definitely build on top of it. So it is not just you're using it, but you can definitely use this as an example to build different bots of your own choice, your own game maybe, and you can definitely improvise. So thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one.